Welcome back. Did you enjoy working with databases? Welcome back. I'm glad you've decided to keep working hard. I know that last course took longer than usual to get through. Hello and welcome. I'm Alina, a PHP programmer for over 15 years and a teacher here at Treehouse. I'll be your guide through this journey into PHP. I'm glad you've chosen to allow Treehouse to help you reach your goals. Doesn't it make you feel special when content speaks directly to you? And it makes it so much easier to find things when our phones and computers seem to know what we're looking for even before we ask. We just expect our phones to know our locations when we're looking for a local service or trying to get directions. Websites like Amazon make suggestions of things we may like to see and tell us when our favorite authors are releasing their latest books. If you plan a trip using Expedia, the website keeps track of recent searches for you in a scratchpad. This makes it easy to jump back to view different choices for the trip. This scratchpad is available without requiring users to be logged in. Most of the time, we don't even realize how much our devices or websites are set up to assist us until we try to use a different device or a new phone, and all of a sudden our history and settings aren't there anymore, and it's so much harder to do or find anything. Users have come to expect so much, and it's just getting worse. So what does that mean to you as a programmer? How can you make your own applications user-aware? It starts with data persistence, the idea of storing information for a prolonged period of time. HTTP, the protocol for exchanging data on the internet, is a stateless protocol. This means that web servers don't normally keep track of who's visiting each page on a site. Servers also don't keep track of visitors as they click from page to page. For example, say I visited a site's welcome page, and then I visited the contact page. The server doesn't keep track of that progress and doesn't know that I was just on the welcome page. There are a number of different options for working with persistent data. If you've worked with a database or any file-based data storage, you've already worked with persistent data. Multiple pages can access and know about the same information. This form of persistence works well when we want data to be stored long-term or be utilized by multiple users. We can also make use of a user's browser to keep track of specific information and tailor the user's experience. In this course, we'll put together a story-building game that will utilize different types of browser-based persistence. The game steps the user through multiple pages that ask the user for specific types of words. Those words will be used in predefined locations of a string to create an often comical or nonsensical story. At the end, a user will be able to save a story to reread later. A user can also play the game again as many times as they'd like.